my name is Alishma here, and today I'm making sparkly slime.
Yeah, Alishma, you can have this extra one. Yeah, you can have it. Hey, no, I don't want extra. That is boiled egg.
What do you want?
Be careful, you might break it.
You know what? It's not much. I shouldn't have got this one for you. Okay, on this one, put your white glue. Put this one, so it will get silver. Put this one. Yeah. Put all that one there. Nice.
My slime is cool.
Yeah, put all the silver there.
So silver, why makes light silver?
The tag off. And this? Don't take it off. It will come off.
Alishma's slime is silver now.
Yeah. I'm doing silver slime.
It's not a bag or a mermaid tail. It's for your pillow cover.
What's that?
So today's Friday, so I'm doing silver slime. I'm doing silver slime. Look at my slime. It looks so cool.
What do you want to eat?
Look, my silver slime is so cool. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching.
You can
my
make the pink
video.
one now. Get the other one and mix the pink one.
Okay, thanks for watching my video for sparkly slime. I'll see you bye.